YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here, doing a little quick video. I'm going to feed my Italian purple garlic today. Today is the 13th of January 2023. These have been in the ground since early November. I believe I planted them the second week of November. Not looking bad at all. A few of them look kind of puny, the ones towards the back. And I'm assuming that's because when it rains, this overhang prevents a lot of water from getting to them. So, as you can see, the ones in the front are doing the best, especially right here. So I'm assuming that hits more sunlight, more water hits here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to side dress. And what I have here is bokashi, wood ash, chicken poop, fish fertilizer. It's a granular. So I'm going to side dress that, and then I'm going to water it in with banana water. This banana water has been, I think some of the stuff has been here in over a year. So I know it's quite funky. But all you have to do is brush some of the stuff aside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put back some of these wood chips once I'm finished. And I'm also going to water it in with regular water, which I have in my little blue container right here. The next time I'm going to feed these is going to be May. And after May, no more food, because you don't want your bulbs to stunt. You don't want the growth to stunt, which could happen. So far they look like they're doing pretty good. Some of them may be too close together, but hey, what I always say is it'd be nice to start off with more than what I planted. And it'd also be nice to start off with bigger than what went into the ground. That right there will make me happy. This is actually, to be honest, the first time my garlic has been this successful. I've never even gotten sprouts before. So, this is exciting. I have some planted here and some on the other side of the yard. Old banana, don't hurt nothing. Like I'm about to go get some more. I thought this would be enough. I'm going to give another winter update before spring. You can see how puny these little ones look. And out. Okay, so I have to go make some more. I'm not going to take you on that journey, but I wanted you to see how these look. Get a good picture of how they look now. These things need to get bigger, much bigger. Okay, take you over to the other side. Take a peek, see how these look. Not bad. These actually look a lot better. They are getting more rain. Not as much sun, because the sun is going this way during the winter. It goes across the yard real low. And the spring and summer is usually right over top of the house. So we have shifted a course. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for checking in.